In today's world, only a handful of people remain unaware of the importance of life insurance. A common drawback of traditional insurance policies is their connection to governments and dependence on global developments. Additionally, in most cases, the interests of the insurer take priority over those of the insured. Recognizing these challenges and the ongoing need for real security, Eternity's R&D team, with the support of its fan community, successfully launched the first-ever decentralized investment and retirement plan by creating a unique and proprietary smart contract algorithm. Benefits of Eternity Insurance: completely decentralized, international insurance policy, exclusive to the fan community, limited number, variety of packages, installment payments, variety of periods, lifetime ownership, compound interest, loanable, able to freely choose an heir, transferable to others, no age restrictions, no ethnicity, race, location restrictions, cashability in real time and from everywhere, permanent presence in the prize funds,